Creating an avatar on Instagram is a fun and creative way to express yourself and showcase your personality. To get started, open the Instagram app and navigate to your profile page. Tap the menu icon, which is represented by 3 horizontal lines, and select Settings. In the Settings menu, scroll down and tap Account. Then tap Avatar. If you don't see the avatar option, make sure your Instagram app is up to date. Tap Create Avatar to begin the process. You will be taken to the Avatar Creator tool, which offers a wide range of customization options. Start by choosing a skin tone that best matches yours. Then select a hairstyle and hair color. You can also add facial features such as eyes, eyebrows, and a nose. Experiment with different combinations to find the look that suits you best. Next, choose a body type and outfit for your avatar. You can select from a variety of clothes, shoes, and accessories to create a unique and personalized look. You can also add a background to your avatar to give it more context. Once you have customized your avatar, tap Done to save it. Your new avatar will be displayed on your profile page, and you can use it to represent yourself in Instagram stories, direct messages, and other parts of the app. To use your avatar in stories, tap the camera icon to create a new story. Then tap the avatar icon. Select your created avatar and use it as a sticker or as the main focus of your story. You can also use your avatar in direct messages by tapping the sticker icon and selecting your created avatar. Creating an avatar on Instagram is a fun and easy way to express yourself and add some personality to your online presence. By following these steps and experimenting with different customization options, you can create a unique and personalized avatar that represents you.